Welcome. If you want to change graphic settings in your PUBG new state, at the first you have to tap on the three dots in the right upper corner, select settings, then pick graphics, and here we can adjust the frame rate. For example, I'm going to set the maximum frame rate. The same for the graphics, I'm going to set on the ultra. Here we can turn off anti-aliasing. You can increase the brightness level. You can pick the screen filter, so I would like to pick the contrast, and here we can use the graphics API, so we can go for the OpenGL ES or Vulkan. You can decide. If you set up, you can just tap save right here, and graphic settings were saved. So right now when you go back and enter one more time, as you can see, we successfully changed the graphic settings. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.